Children were not protected from the risk of harm. Taoiseach, that is the line that really sums up the Hiqa report into governance failures at Children's Health Ireland, published this morning. The investigation was commissioned following revelations that non-approved springs were implanted in 3 children during surgery at Temple Street Hospital. And my first thought today is with those children and with their families. This report is a damning litany of failure. Failure of governance, failure of management, abject failure by government to act and ministers to do their job. This, after all, is the body that runs the major children's hospitals in this state, and the failures were widespread and systemic. Children's Health Ireland failed abysmally to keep children under their care safe, and in fact they put them in harm's way. These failures cover every area: management, governance, risk assessment, ethics, informed consent. And these failures happen because Children's Health Ireland is not fit for purpose, and they were allowed to carry on in that way. No overarching framework for governance, different doctors working at different hospitals under different rules, separate procurement processes across each hospital, no proper checks or oversight of process. Parents kept in the dark about the true nature of the surgeries carried out on their children, and very poor follow-up care for the children involved. All Taoiseach, the hallmarks of an organisation playing by its own rules outside of normal practice with zero consequences. Taoiseach, it's the responsibility of government to ensure that the most robust, effective and safe practices are in place at all of our hospitals. The failures at Children's Health Ireland were known for years. They were known to government, and yet nothing was done. And we're now witnessing this pattern of behaviour, dysfunction and scandal repeated again with regards to unnecessary hip surgeries on children. So there has to be accountability all round. There must be political accountability. These failures span 7 years, 2 health ministers, and were raised many times at the very highest level and raised here in the Dáil, Taoiseach.